All right, this is an old quiz I gave last year, and I really want you guys to look at it and kind of get a sense of what's going on here. So, when I say select all ordered pairs that satisfy the equation, you have to remember satisfy means that makes the equation actually work. So, look at all these coordinates, and what you're going to do is plug in the x value, 6 here, 6 times 1/2, and then you put the 1 there. And you're going to do that for every single answer to make sure you know which one works, okay? And I know that 6 times 1/2, 6 times a half, whenever you multiply something by 1/2, you cut it in half. So 6 times 1/2 equals 3. 3 minus 2, guess what? Equals 1. So I know that that is part of the answers, but it says select all, so there could be another one. So make sure you cover that. All right, we covered this on Thursday. Let's be clear that it says which of the relations, and we didn't really talk about relations, but we do know what functions are. Which of the relations represents a function? Which one is a function? So you're supposed to select the answers that are a function. Let me give you a clue. D is a function. Yes. So I would select D for an answer. But would I select C? Do the X's repeat? Would I select B? Do the B's repeat? And then A, does the vertical line test come into play? Double check that, okay? Does the C, do the X's repeat at all? And does A, is there a vertical line test here? Number 3, write an equation, okay, in slope-intercept form with no spaces, no spaces. You can do this. Y minus y over x minus x to get the slope, right? And then once you have the slope, plug in the x coordinate to get the y-intercept. If you're struggling with that, we have to have a moment together to figure out what's going on. Number 4, you are going to have to figure out all ordered pairs. So you're going to plug them in to see if it works. Does this one work? 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 plus 6 equals 10. But why? No, that one doesn't work. So this one doesn't work. Nope. Select which table works for this, okay? This one's a little more intense. You got to look at this. All right, plug in the coordinates to see if it works for your actual equation here. Which one of these represents a function? You should know this from today's lesson. The x, if the x does repeat, it's not a function. If the x repeats, it's not a function. And then go ahead and solve this last one. Not the last one, sorry. Give me an equation for this one. Give me an equation for this one. Give me an equation for this one. You guys got this. Y minus y over x minus x. The last one, put the points in to figure out what your y is going to be. All right, do the best you can. If you struggle with this, you're going to reach out and let me know.